Good morning, teachers. Jai Hind, everyone. Myself, Vaishali Raut. I'm here to show you a magic trick by which we can send a personalized email to our students by mail merging at a one go. I know many of you might be knowing it, but I'm going to help those who do not know it. So let's see. First of all, we have to go to the Google site. We have to open the Google site, Sheets. Sorry. After opening the Google Sheets, we have to click on a blank spreadsheet. Now, we have to click on add-ons here. After it gets opened up, you have to click on add-ons. Now, you have to click on get add-ons. As you can see, there are some of my add-ons are already there in my Google Sheet. Get add-ons. Yeah. After clicking on get add-ons, the interface will be shown where you have to search for the app which you want. So here the search, I am going to search mail merge with attachments. Now there are different apps by which you can use in a different way. Mail Meteor is also an excellent app. If you want the demo of this one also, then you can comment down below so that I can help you in this also. For now, for the time being, as we want to send an attachment to our students for the answer sheets, for that we have to click on this mail merge for Gmail. So when you click on this, you have to install this extension into your Google Sheet. Mine, you can see it's already installed, so it is showing uninstall. You have to click on this install icon and it will be getting uploaded into this Google Sheet. Once you give access by signing into this mail merge with attachment by any of your email ID. Once you do it, again after closing this, once it gets installed, when you click on add-ons, you will see so many extensions added up here. Mail merge with attachments you have to click on, and you have to click on enable mail merge. So after clicking enable mail merge, you can see the drop down menu which appears here. If you want a video tutorial, you can go to this video tutorial, or else you can close this. And then again, you have to click on the same mail merge with attachments and you have to click on create merge sheet. After clicking on create merge sheet, there will be a default template occurring on this sheet. You can see the first name, last name, etc. For this case, I don't want this column, so I am removing this column by clicking delete column. And I don't want to write first name, I will be writing name only. Now, you can add the name and email address as per your students. You can see here is an email address. So I will be taking the example, adding here. Okay, so I have added some of the names and email IDs here, and I am going to add the attachments. Now let's see how to add the attachments. So to add the attachments, you have to click on add-ons again, and then you have to click on mail merge with attachments. And the third thing which you see, add file attachments. By two ways you can add files, either through the Google Drive or from the computer. So all the answer sheets of 8th and 9th, all the grades, I have the answer sheets in my Google Drive. So I will use this icon. I can use the icons from the insert files also from the computer. So I will be inserting the files from computer now. So here I will just randomly pick any of the PDF. Okay, and once it gets uploaded, you will click on upload. Done. Then similarly, you will add on the same attachments. You will go to the same section. You will insert file from either from the computer or from the Google Drive. If you have it in the Google Drive, then also you can choose. In this way, you have added all the files. Now 40 students, you have to add the 40 files. Then you have to again click on add-ons. Again mail merge with attachments. And then you will go to the section configure mail merge. Once you click on this, now this is the interface. Now you have to continue. You know no need of adding here anything. You have to click on continue. And for doing this, for tracking mails, you want to upgrade it. I don't want to switch to premium by paying, so I'll click on continue. And then you have to design the body of the email. For that, you have to edit the email template. For that, you have to click on edit. Now I will design the content of my mail. I want to write it as answer sheet of PT1, and then I'll write the body of the mail. Now if we want to write parents, then we can write dear parent, this is so and so. But if you want to make it personalized, then you have to write the name of the child. For that, you have to insert curly brackets without any space. Write down the name as it is written here in the column. You have to write down name. After you do so, and then you will write done. So it depends upon you how you want to personalize the mail. Now after that, you will click on save. Once it gets saved, now almost it's done. You have to click on continue. Now after clicking on continue, you will see these are the three options. So this is a pro option which we won't be able to get it in free version. Now first of all, we will choose a send a test mail. Okay, you have to test that whether whatever mails you are going to send, is that okay, okay. So that for that you have to click on go. Once you click on go, you have to go to your email ID to see whether you have received the test mail or not. For that, I am going to my mail ID. Refresh the page. Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute. It's getting uploaded. Success, the test mail was sent to laura.kvl. So let me see. Yeah, you can see here answer sheet of PT1. Dear Kajal Raut, kindly find the answer sheet of your ward. Can you see the name of the student here? Kajal Raut. So it was a test mail. So now you can be happy that yes, that's okay. And the attachment is also correct. The one you have attached here, that is the same one. You can see virtual book fair, and in the mail you can see the virtual book fair also. So after you see that yes, it's okay, done, then you click on run mail merge. After clicking on run mail merge, click on go. Then automatically you will see another sheet will be created here, and you will get all the updates of the sent mails to your students. Within a few seconds, you will be seeing a sheet will be created in the same Google Sheet. Now you can see row 2 email sent to Kajal Raut, email sent to Nitish Kumar, email sent to science.vaishali. You can see you will get all the updates here. 40 number of students you can send at one go. Now it's done. Mail merge is complete. Now let's see that whether the mail has been sent or not. You can see the mails here. 318. Answer sheet of PT1, dear Vaishali Raut, dear Nitish Kumar Singh, dear Kajal Raut, the name which you have put, it will be appearing here. The body of the mail also will be appearing as well as the PDF. Great. So this is how we have to do the mail merging. If you want to know more, then please comment down below. Have a good day and join all of you.